Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai presents the Mumbai Sewage Disposal Project, Stage 2 Priority Works, Malad Wastewater Treatment Facility. The objective of the project is to provide a healthier and improved environment for the people of Mumbai by improving the quality and reliability of wastewater collection, treatment and disposal, whilst eliminating the impact of wastewater pollution in the environment. Under MSDP2 project, 8 wastewater treatment facilities called WWTF are taken up on priority works as per Sewerage Master Plan 2002. This plan covered the development of wastewater conveyance, treatment and disposal facilities to meet the projected increase in flows up to the year 2031. As per MSDP2 planning, Malad is an independent drainage zone, Zone 5. Malad zone has contributing area of 5,483 hectares and serving population of 32.69 lakhs as per census 2011. It is the largest sewerage zone of Mumbai. The proposed Malad WWTF will be the treatment facilities for Malad zone. The present sewerage collection system comprises of the several gravity sewer pipelines and pumping stations. From the northern side of Malad zone, following pumping stations: Vallabhnagar, Shimpholi, Gorai, Charkop collect the sewage from the respective areas and pumps to Malad pumping station located at the Marve Road. And it further pumps to existing treatment facility located at Malwani. Similarly, from southern side of Malad zone, Goregaon pumping station collects the sewerage from Goregaon and Jogeshwari area and pumps to Malad pumping station and further pumps to existing treatment facility. Sewerage from Malwani areas also pumps to treatment facility by Malwani pumping station. All the sewage from different pumping stations of this zone come into the intake chamber of the present treatment facility of Malad, having 240 MLD capacity, where it is screened for floating debris. Screened sewage then flows to degrading chamber. After treatment for grit removal, the wastewater is discharged into the creek. At present, due to increased population, all sewer conveyance system, pumping stations and treatment facility are under capacity in Malad zone, causing sewage overflows or bypassed at various locations to nalas or creek. The Central Pollution Control Board also has revised the discharge effluent standards to improve the water quality of water bodies like river, creek and sea. To avoid surcharging of sewerage networks and to improve the effluent discharge quality, as per latest discharge effluent standards at Malad zone, the MSDP Department of MCGM proposed upgradation of sewage conveyance system by proposing priority sewer tunnels and wastewater treatment facility in Malad zone. Priority sewer tunnel system comprises of Priority Sewer Tunnel 1, also called PST1, and Priority Sewer Tunnel 2 or PST2. PST1 is proposed from Don Bosco School Borivali to Malad proposed IPS, and PST2 is proposed from Goregaon to Malad proposed PS. PST1 of diameter 3200 mm having length of 5.8 km will convey the sewage by gravity from northern side of Malad zone to New Malad pumping station and also eliminates the several pumping stations at Gorai, Shimpholi and Charkop. Similarly, PST2 has diameter of 2600 mm having length of 4.6 km will convey the sewage by gravity from southern side of Malad zone to New Malad pumping station and also eliminate the pumping station at Goregaon. In addition to this, several sewerage lines are planned to be laid in Malad zone to improve collection system of sewage considering to the new development. The new Malad pumping station has been planned into the area of existing WWTF, and the new WWTF has been planned in the 35-hectare area adjacent to the existing plant, which is now affected by mangroves, coming under CRZ1 and reserved forest. This area is already reserved for such facility as per the Development Plan 1991 and 2034 of Mumbai. The new pumping station will be constructed having design capacity of 1580 MLD, which will cater the complete sewage flows from Malad zone. The WWTF project is categorized in two phases. Phase 1. MCGM has obtained the CRZ clearance from Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, New Delhi, and process of forest clearance is in progress. The mangroves on the area of the new WWTF to be cut will be replanted 5 times the number of mangroves at different locations as per the requirement of CRZ clearance. As per the Forest Conservation Act, the Forest Department has asked MCGM to give compensatory afforestation land equivalent to 35-hectare area elsewhere. The work of Phase 1 also involves the widening of the existing access road, construction of low-height bandh all along the site, access inside the mangrove, extending perimeter bandh along the mangrove area, filling up site area and consolidation. The construction begins after achievement of predetermined consolidation. The work of Phase 2 involves the construction of new Malad WWTF, which comprises of preliminary treatment, primary treatment, secondary or biological treatment, disinfection system, tertiary treatment system. The sludge management system is likely to comprise of sludge thickening, sludge digestion, power generation, sludge dewatering, sludge drying. Solar energy will also be produced for lighting and miscellaneous purpose. The sewage treatment to an environmentally safe disposal quality and its process flow can be seen here. Let's look at how the project will achieve all this. The sewage from the new Malad pumping station will be pumped to the inlet chamber of the proposed WWTF. The preliminary treated sewage shall be taken into primary treatment to remove a substantial portion of the organic solids from the untreated wastewater, with a resulting decrease in the organic and solid loadings of the biological unit. Primary treated sewage shall be taken into biological or secondary treatment to reduce further BOD, COD, TSS, etc. to meet the discharge effluent standard. There is a provision for reuse of treated sewage by providing additional treatment facility called tertiary treatment facility. It will be planned to the extent of 20% during design build period. However, planning will be made for 100% in phases as per demand of reuse. The treated sewage is disinfected through UV system and shall be discharged into the sea from existing outfall. Now, let us follow the sludge stream. The sludge from primary clarifier and aerobic basins will be collected in common storage tank. It will be pumped to mechanical thickener for removal of moisture content. The thickened sludge will be pumped to the anaerobic digester for anaerobic digestion. For stabilized sludge and byproduct generation will be biogas. The gas will be cleaned for removal of H2S gas in scrubbing system. and then will be pumped to a gas engine to generate electrical power for needs of the plant operation. Power generation from biogas will reduce considerably the operations and maintenance cost of the plant. After digestion, the sludge will be dewatered in dewatering equipment for further reduction of moisture content and reducing weight and volume for handling. Then it will be passed through thermal sludge drying system for making sludge as Class A biosolids, which will be pathogen free and making it 90% dry solids, like almost powder form, which will increase its calorific value and can be easily transported and reused wherever required, such as agricultural usage, fuel for power plant, fuel for cement plant. Considering the location of the plant in a densely populated area, incineration will not be allowed on site to maintain healthy environment. Incineration off-site will be allowed. The proposed Malad WWTF will be achieving effluent discharge as per standards laid down by Pollution Control Board, and further the tertiary treated water will be reused as per requirement, and environmental friendly sludge quality is also for reuse. The other important part of this WWTF is the odor control system. A strong and robust system of ventilation scrubs the odor generating particles and clean fresh air is given out. The Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai envisages the complete reuse of treated wastewater. This treated water can be used by industrial or commercial establishments. It can also be used for gardening, flushing purposes and construction purposes. This will ensure the conservation of fresh water. Every step taken today to conserve water will ensure the sustenance of our future. And with the implementation of MSDP Stage 2 priority works, MCGM has taken that step.